Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create equipment tasks using FluidLife's myLab. First, I'll select equipment tasks from the myLab homepage. Then I'll select the customer or location that has the equipment I want. In myLab, you can organize your equipment by areas and types. In my case, my equipment is organized by area, so I'll select my plant area. Now I'll select the conveyor unit and the hydraulic component on that unit. On the right, I am now shown the tasks for this component. I can see that this component has no tasks yet. Now I'll click the Add Task button here, giving me a task form ready to be filled in. I'll select the Change Oil and Filter task. I'll set the task type to Maintenance and the status to Shutdown. Here is where I can set how often the task is scheduled. I'll set this one to every 4 months. Tasks that have never been done before are always due right away. I can enter a date here to cause a task to start its schedule on a specific day. For tasks that involve oil, grease, or filters, I can enter that information here. I can set the oil type and the amount needed for the task. Information entered here will be used to create the materials list, so it should only be entered if the task requires it. Since my task does require it, I will set them both. I can enter the type of filter to be used here. As with the oil, this is used for the materials list, so it should only be entered if it's required to do the task. The Instructions tab allows me to enter instructions and notes for the task. The Readings tab allows me to select which readings should be recorded each time the task is done. I'll select oil pressure and oil level. Readings are a special type of custom field. If you haven't created any custom fields, then this tab will be blank. Please watch the Managing Custom Fields video for more information. The Custom Fields tab shows any other custom fields that have not been designated as readings. Now that I'm happy with my changes, I'll click OK. Now I can see the task is in the list, and I can add more tasks using the same procedure. If I have multiple tasks for this component, they will typically be done in the order shown. I can change that order by using the Move Up and Down buttons here. Once I've added all my tasks, I need to save my changes by clicking the Save button here. If I perform the same set of tasks on several different components, I can save some time by copying tasks from one component to another. First, I'll click the Copy All Tasks button. I can either browse or search for the components to add. I'll pick Search. In the search results, I can use the checkboxes to select multiple components to copy the task to. Once I've selected all the components that I want, I'll click Save and the tasks will be copied. Next, I need to create routes and place equipment on them to finish defining my task plans. I recommend that you watch the routes video next. This concludes creating equipment tasks. Thank you for watching.